How to fix QuickBooks error 6000. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1, update QuickBooks. Step 1, open QuickBooks and select Help. Step 2, next select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3, in the Overview tab see if the automatic updates are turned off or on. Step 4, if you see an update available, click on Update Now. Step 5, then click on Get Updates and QuickBooks will start downloading the updates. Step 6, once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK. Solution 2, Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 1, download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub from if you don't already have it installed. Step 2, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 3, once the installation is complete, double-click QuickBooks Tool Hub icon to open it. Step 4, from the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 5, select Run QuickBooks File Doctor, then select your company file from the drop-down menu. Step 6, next, select Check Your File and then Continue. Step 7, enter the QuickBooks admin password and click Continue. Solution 3, rename the .nd and .tlg files. Step 1, first, open the folder where the company file is stored. Step 2, find the files with the same name as your company files but with .nd and .tlg files. company_file.qbw.nd, company_file.qbw.tlg. Step 3, right-click on each file and select Rename, then add Old at the end of each file. Step 4, open QuickBooks and try signing into your company file. Solution 4, open a sample company file. Step 1, open QuickBooks. Step 2, select File and click on Close Company. Step 3, in the No Company Open window, select Open a sample file. Step 4, choose any sample file from the list. Step 5, if the sample file opens, proceed with the following method. Solution 5, copy QuickBooks file to desktop and restore. Step 1, open the folder that has your company file. Step 2, find the file with .qbw extension. Step 3, right-click on the file and select Copy. Step 4, now go to the desktop, right-click anywhere and select Paste. Step 5, next, hold down the Control key and open QuickBooks. This will open the No Company Open window. Step 6, select Open or restore an existing company. Step 7, then go to your desktop and open the company file. Step 8, if you still get the error, you need to restore a backup copy. To do this, go to the File menu in QuickBooks. Step 9, select Open or Restore Company and then restore a backup copy and click Next. Step 10, now, select Local Backup and then Next. Step 11, locate your backup company file with the .qbb extension and click Open. Step 12, select a folder where to save the restored company file, then select Open. Step 13, click Next and you'll see that the file has changed from QBB to QBW. Step 14, select a folder on the desktop to save the restored company file and then click on Save. Step 15, it will take a while to restore the file. Once done, check whether the issue is fixed. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +18774690298 or +44800 0548 150.